Hello, Grayson.
I'm not Grayson. I'm an ice cream.
Hello, ice cream.
I'll give you some ice cream, okay?
What flavor is this?
This flavor is called blueberry,
Blueberry?
and this one's called raspberry. This one's called
What?
vanilla.
What the white one?
White one is called patilla.
Cotton candy?
Yeah,
Or coconut?
Coconut.
Cotton. Okay, get a book.
Right one is right here. Here.
Yum yum yum. Yum. Nah,
You like polka dot ones?
I like polka dot shirt.
You
No.
like polka dot.
Mm.
Here.
Rồi lấy sách đây.
Polka dot ice cream. Polka dot ice cream.
Beep go to sleep kìa. Để cái đấy để đọc sau cùng nhá. Ok, nào.
We go to sleep, Lily.
Let's say hi to friend who's fly. Ủa, cái này đọc rồi mà.
I did.
We already.
I did it.
Remember?
I
So name whose friend, whose animal, which animal can fly?
a bee.
Okay.
And let me open it.
Okay. Read it to me, please. We read it last time. Can you read to me, please?
Okay. So,
Okay.
a bee fly.
Hello, bee. Hello, bee.
Could
Bee
be
fly. Go, bee. Bee. Hello, bird. Go, bird. Hello, bat. Go, bat. And who else can fly? A rhino. Can rhino fly? Yeah, with the airplane. Zoom, zoom. Okay, get another book.
one.
Yeah.
I didn't read it.
What dinosaur did it? Now do it.
I'll do it like
Okay. Chuyện gì đây?
booty mouse.
Bully mouse?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
What are they doing right here?
Burning with fish.
They fishing.
Yeah. And you want to see the burner?
No.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, I'll show.
Where's that? Where's that? Where's that?
Right
Where?
here.
Oh.
They're gonna burn the fish.
Oh, did you read this before?
Why Daddy did he put for gasoline?
No, he doesn't need a gasoline. I don't think so.
Why?
Because they, maybe they put gasoline in.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need a gasoline to light up.
What?
Can you tell me what they are doing?
Fish.
They fish. Okay. What else do they do?
And burning the fish.
They cook the fish on the fire. They have the real fish.
Why not the pretend ones?
You see, they have a lot of fish.
Why don't I'm gonna eat all their food. You read for me.
Okay. You read this before?
No.
How do you know they have a burner? Tell me.
Because I don't have, because I have good memories.
You have good memory?
Yeah.
So who read it to you? Miss Alicia's or Miss Alexis? Or Mommy? Or who? Who read it to you?
Mommy.
Mommy read this to you?
Because when I was a baby, she read it for me.
No.
I have broken memories, I bet.
Somebody just read it to you. Don't lie, okay?
Who?
Somebody. Maybe you read it at school.
Who did it?
So, how many mouse? How many mice do we have here?
1, 2, 3. I'm itchy.
Thôi bỏ ra được.
4,
4, 5,
6,
Seven. Okay, we have seven mouths, right? Cái tất này bạn này.
Yeah.
You look. We have to put it in the laundry, the hamper
Right there.
over
I'll
there.
do
Thôi. Later when we done reading. Okay. Now, can you name them?
Brother, sister.
No, what's the name? Grayson?
Krista. Eva. And where's Mom?
Grayson, Trip, Max K.
And who else?
I know. So it was
Eva.
winter.
Grayson.
Bell, Page. Okay. It was winter, but the 7 little mice didn't mind the cold. We're going skating on the lake, they announced when they got home from school.
What they're gonna do?
The 7 little mice love to skate.
And where's Eva?
I know. Let's
Right there.
go to the...
Right there, Daddy. And this is Grayson.
Let's go to the middle of the lake. Last one, there's a rotten egg. Okay.
Rotten egg where?
That one. Okay, clang, clang. What was that noise? Little Weasel and his father? Weasel and his father.
Weasel.
Hi, Daddy Weasel, Baby Weasel. Little Weasel and his daddy was making a hole in the ice. What
and
was
is these a mouse?
They friends. Look, they drill a hole in on the ice.
And where's Max K? Right here. They're all...
And Little Weasel dropped his line into the hole and started to fish. Come here, little fish, said Father Weasel. No sooner had he spoken than Silverfish started to tug on Little Weasel line. Look at all the fish I caught, sound Little Weasel. See, he's very proud. Let's go ice fishing tomorrow. Back the 7 little mice that evening. I can tomorrow, said Father.
And where is Max K, Trip, Bell, Page? Where are them?
No.
Right there. And Grayson.
I can tomorrow, said Father. I have to
Look,
work.
Grayson.
How about you, Mother? Asked the 7 little mice. Not me, said Mother. I loved to ice fish when I was little, but now I'm afraid of sleeping on the ice.
Why?
You want more, brother and sister?
If we sleep in the ice, what happens?
Did Mother really go ice fishing when she was little? Asked the 7 little mice. Absolutely, said Father. She was a fine fisherman. We call her the ice fishing princess.
Ice fishing princess?
The 7 little mice thought about that. How could they get Mother to go fishing with them? Suddenly, they had an idea. They drew up a plan. Then they got to work cutting and hammering and tying. What on earth are you up to? Asked Mother.
This is Belle, this is Paige, and this is Max K. And what they're doing?
I can't tell you, said the little mice. It's a secret, okay? Look! The next morning, Mother was very surprised to see what they have made. Climb into the sled chair, cried the little mice. We pushed the ice fishing princess over the ice. Then they loaded some firewood onto the sled and left for the lake. The 7 little mice and Mother came to the hole where the weasel had met yesterday. Let's take turns, said one little mouse. Me first, said another. We will switch as soon as you catch the fish.
Max K.
Con quý Max K hả? Max K good friend?
No, me and Trip are best friends.
Okay.
And we run away from Max K.
You you and Trip?
And we always play silly games.
How about Gray?
No.
Matt,
Guys.
you and Trip?
Yeah, just us two.
You and Trip are best friend?
Two.
Here comes a fish. I caught it. I caught a fish. Now you got it, said Mother. When you've each got a fish, we roast all of them for lunch. Mother make a fire, but no more fish came. The fish.
Fire gasoline where?
The first fish came so easily, said one little mouse. But then what happened? The fish must have gone somewhere else. I'm not skating, so they have only one fish. Okay? The fire was ready, but there was still only one fish. The weasel caught so many yesterday. Where have the fish gone? Are they sleeping? I'm hungry. It's your turn now. Ice fishing princess, said the 7 little mice. Please gather some more fish. We need 7 more, one for each of us.
What is this? Why this one do this?
Roasted on the fire. If you want to eat fish like this, we can cook fish like that for you. So Mother took the fishing pole and dropped the line through the hole. Ready? Let's see how many fish the Mother Mouse can catch, okay?
Let's see.
There's a big tug on the line.
Where, guys?
See? Big tug on the line. A fish. Must be a big one. Pull harder, Mother. Hoo-da! Woof! The line came flying out of the hole.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, you did it. You caught 8 fish
1, 2.
at once. You really are the ice fishing princess. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fish. Okay? And everyone.
Max, Trip, and the other mouse just eat up the fish.
So 7 little mice roasted 5 fish right here in the middle of the frozen lake. Yummy, yum, yum. Eat fish, okay? All the 7 little mice agree.
And
Fresh
why they
crawfish
don't
cooked
blow
over
it?
fries.
Why they don't blow it?
Because it's cool down.
Who cool down it?
Okay.
The fire cool down it?
So see, everyone had a fish. What about this one? This one for who?
I don't know.
Who?
For the weasel.
No, for who?
No.
Little baby mice, Mother Mouse, and this one for who's working?
Daddy.
Let's bring the fish home for Daddy.
Ow!
Okay, get another book. Always remember Daddy, okay? If you cook something, if you bake something,
If you
eat something, remember save something for
Daddy
because Daddy
work
and
to make money.
To make money do what? Tell me.
I gonna read more. You bake me, Daddy. Daddy, if you bake something like a cake or a pizza, say one. Don't remember that.
Okay.
Hey, Archie, got this book.
Okay. You want that book? That's fine. Last book, okay?
This one's so angry.
Okay, this is last book, okay?
Yeah.
So we go to sleep.
Like,
Beep, beep, go to sleep. Beep, beep, go to sleep.
who say that?
The robot.
What, like us?
Alright, ready? 3 little robots. Time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. Okay?
What is this doing?
Poo poo pee pee. And power down. Beep beep. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robots. Back
Boo boo
to.
pee pee.
Back to.
Boo
No.
boo pee pee đâu.
Ồ, sao lại bị jump thế nhỉ? And power down. Quiet at last. Not a peep. Three little robots are.
I say boo boo pee pee.
Beep beep.
Boo boo pee pee đâu.
Poo poo pee pee đây này. Where? Here.
And why this one tear up and do this?
Because it's a bad robot. Is something wrong? I need my coin, my sensor X. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robot. Back to
Sleep, Daddy.
back to bed.
Why this one need oil?
Because that's a robot. Quiet at last, like you need milk.
Milk.
Oil is milk, okay?
Oil is milk.
Quiet at last, not a beep. Three little robot are
Faster sleep.
fast asleep. Beep beep. They not sleep yet. What is it now? I need a lie. My fan bell loose. My bows too tie. Quiet at last, not a beep. Three little are beep beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking, no more bleep beeping, blinking bonking, winking whirring, oinking, squeaking. Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep beep. What now? You need what? A bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, ping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, bleeping, popping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not this robot. Snuggle deep. They finally put their boy to sleep.
Biology.
The toilet robot is a toilet. Okay.
Robot's a
It's
toy.
time to sleep.
Bye bye, Daddy.
Bye bye, Grayson.